Kelly.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And we are with Potomac Beads, and we're going to do a little spotlight for you today on the Potomac's medal.
With an X.
With an X. So the Potomac's medal, you may be familiar with some of our designs, like the halo bead, the bow trio, and even the start of some of manufacturing our glass exclusive beads as metal beads. The AVA bead we started out with because of the shape. It's a hard bead to manufacture. It takes a lot of time in glass, and because of its natural shape, it's going to be a little bit more delicate. We decided to go with the AVA as well. We've had such a great reaction from this that we decided to add in some more.
Yeah, so some of the new shapes that you're going to see on the site. Let's start with some of our exclusives. We have the IrisDuo here, and the Storm Duo, which is that S shape, or kind of like a little tornadoes, I guess.
Tornado, yeah, the little storm.
Yeah, little storm. And then we have the IrisDuo. So those are some really good shapes.
And the only shape that is going to be two-sided, that you have one flat side and one rounded side of our exclusive shapes that are getting added to the Even Ava are going to be the IrisDuos. So the IrisDuos do have a flat side and have that rounded side. The nice thing, and these are available in all the metals that you see, from the silver to the antique brass to the gold to the rose gold, copper, and gunmetal. And they are a Zamic metal. And I mean, the ideal thing of this, like you were talking about when we were talking, is definitely the weight and how it's going to kind of stay.
Yeah, they feel really good. And a lot of these shapes in the glass version, you have colors, or there may be designs that aren't as masculine. So these are a great way to use the same shapes in something that's more masculine, or do leather wraps with. So it kind of opens up a whole nother like world of like design.
Yeah, really, because they do have, I mean, they can definitely go for a more feminine look. I have one of the other shapes that we've added, which is the Ginkos here in rose gold. And they can definitely be feminine, but like Anna was saying, it's kind of a heavier bead, so it does give more of that kind of masculine. Here I did the feminine and masculine kind of play on it with the heavier bead and going light and dark. And they are the Zamic, so if you do love Crystal Capri and you hate the idea that that coating can come off, you're not going to have that issue when you're working with the metal beads.
That's one of my favorite things about the metal beads, is that it's, because it's not the glass, you don't have a coating. The metal color, you know, it's this metal color, and it's not going to wear off easily, or ever, or depending.
We've tried lots of trials with these here.
And you can wear it in the shower, you know, and it's going to hold up much better long term than a glass with a color coating on it.
And the other shapes that we have here, then also we kind of figured out what shapes were our most popular shapes and what we would like to continue kind of with under this Potomac's. If you do have suggestions for other shapes you would like us to do, definitely comment below and let us know. Also, kind of right here along me is that subscribe button, so make sure to click that. So we also have sitting here the additional shapes. We have, in addition to that Ginko, we have the WibeDuo. So people might not even know what the WibeDuo is. It's more of
it's a little pillow star shape,
flat on one side, kind of rounded on the other, and then the holes are going to be going lateral or vertical, whichever way you're holding. So two holes as well. So
the shape, the size, everything about the bead is the same as the original glass version. So same patterns, same ideas, just switch out the metal for the glass.
Yeah, so the amount of patterns that we have for a lot of these are kind of insane. If you want to do something with bars or bricks or tiles or diamond duos or WibeDuos, or of course any of our exclusives, definitely check that out. You can look at all the patterns that we already have and substitute the metal for it. We've really enjoyed adding all of these Zamic products to our line and bringing on these Potomac beads, because again, it kind of solves that solution of whether or not things are going to last, or the color going to stay, how do I make it more masculine?
So would you still use the coating, the
Permalac?
The Permalac with it?
I would not use the I wouldn't bother to use the Permalac with the metal beads. Definitely the Permalac if you're looking to do something in the same regard with that actual bead in the color, you could definitely do that up. But the nice thing with the Zamic is it already has a coating on top of it, has that kind of a clear protective coating on top of the metal that you don't
Yeah.
have to worry about as well. So we're really excited to keep increasing this Potomax brand and to bring you new products, great Greek material. Again, if you have any suggestions that you want for which beads, definitely click that link below, as well as if you want to shop with us online at potomacbeads.com as well as potomacbeads.eu. We are happy to have you click links there. As always, thanks so much for watching and enjoy working with our new Potomax.